Morning, day traders, and this is your Dax day trade setup for today. Just going to start off on the weekly because we've got some pretty interesting scenarios on the weekly here. So firstly, obviously this fractal level, we've had a pretty solid close above it. We then sort of closed on this one the previous week, and then last week we've closed above it. Okay, so we are gradually breaking through, and this level here for me is fairly significant because look at the congestion at this area here. Okay, so this is 12,889 or 12,890, probably the better way to look at it. So if we just start scrolling through to levels we can trade, we've got the daily, we've got all these buyers stepping in here off this level. So they were stepping up off 12,890, managed to get a close above it. So for me at the moment, I'm still looking for some kind of a pullback, and there hasn't really been one on the daily. This is a bit of consolidation. I suppose we could argue this is pullback, but then what I'd want to do is just work out a Fibonacci. Okay, so that'll work. I'll explain now what I'm looking for. We'll do that on the lower time frames. Okay, so basically this was the last move up. Okay, so this was a move, then there was a pullback. This was a move, and this was a little bit of a pullback, and then a second move. But this whole move here was one. This was a big consolidation zone, lots of pin bars, lots of indecision here, and now we're moving to the upside. So the measured move for me is from here. Okay, because this came back to a Fibonacci level. So that is my move. I'm just going to use this one here. That's what we're looking for. Okay, just looking at the 3 hour here, we had all this indecision. Then on Friday, we sort of broke through, came back. There was some positive news and positive data from the US side. So pretty much broke the alligator. Well, we gapped up above the alligator, came to test the break, and then accelerated. And you can see how the alligator is now pointing straight up. So trend is up at the moment, always has been. On the hour, we had a bit of a reversal, and now we're pretty much running to the upside. And as far as I'm concerned, these hour fractals are the ones we need to pay attention to. Okay, so 12943, but that's really not a decent entry for a short, so I wouldn't take that. Break above 12985 is definitely going to bring 1300 into play, and then possibly a few others. So for me at the moment, head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulder, so inverse head and shoulder has been tested. So measured move is pretty much still the same. There it is. Okay, so that's my target area still, which is 13088. Okay, let's just quickly look what else we have here. Lots of indecision here, lots of sellers off a level, and then the buyers coming in off a level. So those are definitely our two levels at the moment. Okay, and you can probably fine tune it here because there is another fractal here, which we kind of closed above, but it was very late, so I'm not going to take that as a close. Looking for another half hour bar above this fractal level of 12966. Okay, anyway, that's pretty much my story at the moment, and looking at the 12 minutes, I can probably fine tune my stop up to 12954. Okay, so we're looking for longs, and these are the two fractal areas that we're looking for, but I'm also very interested in the previous high, so Friday's high, so 12965. Okay, so that's the area that I'm really interested in, but sort of any price action that stays above this level here of 12952, I think is an opportunity to buy today. But it is Monday, so we could just carry on going sideways as well, so just be wary of that. Let's have a look at the ichimoku quickly. And if you look at the 12-minute, we've got bullish, bullish, bullish. Everything's bullish. And you can see from a ichimoku perspective, your stop area should be below the cloud of 12,932 for any long that you're taking. I'm just using fractals, which just less risk. Okay, so, and you can see the 30 minutes, your stop area is the same. It's below Kijinson here. Everything's bullish on the 30 minutes. On the hour, everything's extremely bullish. Look how we're standing straight up here. Okay, and that's very, very bullish. So 4 hour, pretty much neutral at the moment, but the cloud is massively, there's a lot of support here. So it's bullish, bullish, and this could be a crossover brewing. So normally what happens when momentum dries up towards the end of the session, this is what happens. Okay, so that's still bullish. Yeah, there's still a lot of divergence here, so it's bullish with caution on the daily. Okay, so in other words, what I'm looking for is another long, but what you do want to do is take profit. Don't try and hold this because the daily is not looking pretty. I'm looking for a daily pullback before we get a decent move. Okay, so the high of Friday is what you want to pay attention to, and then work out your measured move for this head and shoulders or this cup and handle. Okay, so long it is, and we're looking for 13,088 is our measured move. Stop area, pretty much, I mean, you can do it below 12,942, or you can do it below the low of Friday, okay, which is 12,888. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.